Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Hello to all my fellow subscribers and stuff. Hey, so LS Fest 2019. We got this split bumper Camaro. We're gonna try to, do some hot work right there by where the subframe, the lower control arms mount. As you can see, the previous owner came in here and just modified it ever so slightly. You can see the old markings where the factory ears go, and what I have to do is grind all this weld all around, grind it all off and push it back a couple inches. But yeah, so I have 2 weeks to do it, and I would love to take my split bumper, big tire, split bumper 73 Camaro to LS Fest with the TH400 with the trans brake, and hopefully we're gonna get it all done by the time I think it's in May 3rd to 5th. Catch us at LS Fest. Split bumper will be there. The Mazda will not. Shout out to Rob Dom to keeping the rotary engine in that Corvette, the C5 Corvette. I think it's amazing. See you there, Rob. So the engine that will be going into this split bumper is just this 5.3 I've had for a few years, just here gathering dust in my garage. They're flat top pistons. It's a 5.3, but we're gonna use these C5 Corvette LS1 cylinder heads. We're gonna cleaning them all up and put a different oil pan, and in reality I'm just gonna slap this inside my Camaro so we can make sure that it works all good, then pull that engine out and put it in my dope ass truck, that 94 Chevy Sierra. Well, it's actually a GMC Sierra, but yeah, stay tuned for the progress. And these are most of the goodies that are gonna go in there. I'm getting a stall converter, anti-ballooning plate, because I'm gonna run a lot of nitrous on that Camaro. My valley cover, my good steering wheel, and it's gonna be carbureted. Nothing fancy, I got my underdrive pulley there, a meth injection kit, G-force cross member. If I have time, I'm gonna put that in. A lot of you guys have been messaging me, how is Xena Dog? Xena Dog is live and healthy, huh, Xena Dog? Xena Dog. Say hi to my YouTubers. Say hi to all your fans, Xena Dog. She's a good dog. Alright, and there's my 408. Eventually, that's what the split bumper will be having inside. My cylinder heads, they're LSA cylinder heads. Anyway, yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I grinded all these pieces off, most that I can, but I'm gonna stop talking now and give you guys an update later on.